Hey guys, in this video I'm going to explain to you how you can deposit money on Fanduel. And it's really easy and simple. What you're going to do is go to the apps interface and go to the add funds section, and then you'll see a bunch of deposit methods, guys. You can do online banking, debit cards, Apple Pay, Venmo, PayPal, even credit cards as well. And it's really easy and simple, guys. So they also have added new methods, as you can see. You can also do interact if you have that available, depending on your country. So if you're playing with online banking, you just want to come here, choose, select your bank, enter your banking details, for example, account number, and then if you're choosing a credit or debit card, what you're gonna do is you wanna enter your account number, your expiration date, and the CVV code, and if applicable, depending on your country, you also have to enter your zip code, and it's really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.